Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the graph editor and selecting the animated object. This puts you where you edit motion curves directly. Insert keyframes now if you haven't already, because curves won't appear otherwise. Press I and choose the transforms you need. Once done, enable Only Selected to focus, and pick an appropriate handle type so tangents behave predictably. These steps are fast but crucial. They ensure the editor shows the right curves and gives you control over interpolation immediately, which saves time as you refine motion. Now focus on the middle work. Isolate the specific F-curves you need to fix, hiding others with H so you're not distracted. Select keyframes with box select and move them with G to shift timing, use R to scale a group's timing, and S to scale values. Combine with snapping to frames when precision matters. Don't forget to change interpolation with T to get linear or constant sections, and adjust individual handle types for smooth arcs. These choices directly affect motion feel, so tweak and play repeatedly. Finish by polishing and locking down your animation. Apply smoothing where jitter remains, bake complex actions into sampled keyframes if you need consistent playback, and lock channels to prevent accidental edits. Once done, mute or apply modifiers sensibly, and decimate redundant keys to keep the curve lightweight. If something goes wrong, flicker, jitter, or unexpected offsets, make sure object scale is uniform, disable conflicting constraints, and recalculate handles. Those steps resolve most issues quickly, and then you can rebake or clean up keys for a final pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.